Morning. Can you hear me? Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
So I will share to you unit 5. Actually, I need to use this one. Wait, I want to use. It's not working, but okay, I'll be the one supposed to be. I'm going to use this one.
Mhm.
Okay, this one. How are you today? I will then transfer to my office. Huh? Alright. Sam, I'll be back in here, Sam. Huh? Then later you pass it to me. Huh? Okay, I will show it to you now. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we are talking here about quantifiers. So when we say quantifiers, it means, okay, so quantifiers as used at the beginning of noun phrases and are used to express an amount of degree or something. They are also used with persons, quantifiers with countable nouns, quantifiers with uncountable nouns, quantifiers with countable and uncountable noun. So as you can see here in the example me, this one, you can see this one. This is considered as quantifiers. Okay. Here with countable nouns, majority of a number, several, many, large, a few, a very few, a great number of. So these are countable nouns. It means these are the nouns that can be counted. With uncountable nouns, so much, a bit, great deal of, a large quantity of, a large amount of, a little, little, and very little. So these are the uncountable nouns. With countable and uncountable nouns, so these are countable and uncountable nouns. This one. Okay, so it could be countable and it could be uncountable nouns. So here, look out. We can use most quantifiers with of before a determiner, the, his, and these in the nouns. Like all of my friends have got phones. However, we cannot use of with every or no. Instead, we use everyone and none of the plural verb. Okay, again, we can use most quantifiers with of before determiner. Okay, the, his, and this, and noun. Like all of my friends have got phones. However, we cannot use of with every or no. Instead, we use every one of the noun. Okay, so none of my friends have or has got a tablet. Okay, so here we cannot use of with every or no. So you cannot use every of, no of. So you cannot use that one. Instead, we use every one of, none of. So this is the proper ha. Again, we cannot say every of or no of. No, it's wrong. It should be every one of or none of. Okay. A few, little, and a little. A small quantity, small amount. Okay. So when you say a few, little, or a little, these are small quantity. Okay. A small amount. So few plus plural countable nouns. A few plus plural countable nouns. Little plus uncountable nouns. A little plus uncountable nouns. Okay, look at this. So we have few, it means not many. Few normally convey a negative idea, like he has a few good friends. It means not many. There are few honest politicians. It means that's negative, so only few. Okay, little means not much. So we are talking here uncountable nouns. Okay, when you say a little, it uncountable. It cannot be counted. Okay, so little normally conveys a negative idea. There was a little time to finish it. He has little patience with others. It means uncountable. So we are talking here patience and time. So it cannot be counted. Little, a song. Little normally convey a positive idea, like I have a little milk. You can use it. A little, it's only some. Little, not much. When you see a little, some, small. A little normally convey a positive idea. I have a little milk you can use. She has a little time to relax now. Okay? Oh, so next, we have here you. It means, wait, Mia, I need to close the door.
Yeah.
So, few, it means not many. Okay, not many like little, not much. But when it's a few, the same with a little. Some, but it is countable noun. Okay. A few normally conveys a positive idea. He has a friends that will help. I have few days off next month. Okay, so this is a few. Okay. So we have here. So a few normally conveys a positive idea. Okay, he has few friends that will help. Okay, so this one, few, not many, negative. But when you say a few, it becomes positive. Like when I say, he has a few friends that will help. I have few days off next month. Okay, so that is positive idea already. Okay, here. Complete the table with the quantifiers below. Sample ha. Okay, yeah, every. Please complete the table with quantifiers. So, here.
Teacher, I don't understand this.
Okay, quite hard. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have here. Okay. So these are a little, all. Okay, quite hard this one. Okay, that's quite hard for you. Okay. So study the sentences below. What is the difference between few and a few? Little and a little here. Okay, look at ha. Again, when you say few and little, that's negative. When you say a few and a little, that's positive already. Please study the sentences below. What is the difference?
I think number one is A and number two is B.
Mm-hmm. Okay, number two, letter A is, number one is,
Two. Number two is B and number one is A.
okay, look at Nongi. Look at, this means I've got only a very small number of high-tech gadgets. Okay,
Mm.
only very small number. I've got few high-tech, but this one, I've got a few high-tech gadgets. I love them. This means I've got number of high-tech gadgets. Okay, so this one is negative. Only letter A, it's only few, very small. But this one, I've got numbers, so it means many. Okay, how about number two? Can you tell me number two?
Number two is have a little time to play computer games, so they I think so they can play. And number B is uh someone is had a little time, so they can play the computer game in that time.
Okay, I've letter A, I have a little time for computer games. It means little time only. So, but when we say letter B, I have little time, let's play computer game. What is that? Little time, let's play computer game, little time. So it means, okay, let us check ha. This means I have very limited amount of time. I don't have enough time, letter A. But letter B, it means I have some time because you are talking here little. This positive ha, a little and a few, they are positive. Okay? Okay, so this one. Please try to choose what do you think is the correct quantifier. Write the quantifiers here below.
Okay.
Okay, that's the example me. Please try to use this example as your reference.
Teacher.
Done?
No, I don't know the 7, 8, and 10.
Okay, 7, 8, and 10. Okay,
Yeah.
9. You try 9.
Wait me.
Yeah, you try.
Okay, number 9 is.
Okay, so here, oh, wait me, huh? I have a little, okay, most of my students own a computer, so almost, most of this very good. Not many of my, few of my friends use Twitter. Few, okay, very good. Both of Sam and Ben love Facebook. Okay, very good. I will text you either Saturday or Sunday. I'll text you either Saturday. Very good. There aren't documents, no documents in the folder. There are no documents in the folder. Okay, here, Marlon has gadget on each breasts. I downloaded all the apps to my new phone. I downloaded every one of the apps to my new phone. I don't spend much time using social media. Okay, I don't spend much time. Very good. 10. Okay, none of my gadgets are expensive. I haven't got budgets. None of my gadgets are expensive. Remember, you cannot use no and off. Every and off in a sentence. It should be everyone off and none off. Very good. Okay, so here. Write sentences about student in your class. Huh? Make production using all of them, most of them, some of them, few of them, very few of them, and none of them. Facebook, make sentence. Your own sentence about your classmate in school. Okay? Example, most of my classmates, most of the students in my class use Facebook. That example, you make your own. Write in the chat box. Or you can write here.
Right?
You can write here, right here, down.
Uh,
Oh, you make your own sentence. Some of my classmates, blah, 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 blah.
ah,
Yeah, make your own
oh my
sentence.
God. No.
Okay, go, go, go. It's okay. That's very
No. I will write and then I will
Describe your
speak.
classmates. Describe your classmates. Student in your class.
But I will write and I will write the some of them, none of them, and then I will speak.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So tell me na lang, oy.
I will tell you.
Yeah,
Most
okay, go.
of them in my class use Facebook.
Okay.
In my class, some of them own a computer.
Hmm.
None of them download music. Most of them have a smartphone. All of them in my class have shopped online. Very few of them have a YouTube channel. A few of them have broadband, and some of them in my class visit chat rooms. Just that.
Okay, very good. Okay. So this is only predicting only. It's not accurate. It's not real to do this. It's only predictions. Okay. Model in the past tense, you know already. May, might, could have plus past participle. Okay. You know already how to use may and might. It's possible she went home hours. Okay. She might, may, or could have gone home hours at home. So it means maybe. Okay. So it's only maybe. We use may, might, but could not have. Okay. She didn't phone me. She might not have known my number. So it means this is again speculations. You are not sure. Oh, why me did not call me? Maybe me didn't realize or didn't realize my number. Okay. Use must have, can't, and couldn't have to make logical deductions about the past. Logical. You can't, couldn't have seen Lois in town. He lives abroad now. It's not possible that we saw him. Why you cannot see Louis? Because he lives abroad now. Okay. We use should and shouldn't have plus past participle to criticize past actions. Okay. You should have phoned her before you went out. You shouldn't have used all the credit on your phone. Okay? So this is to criticize past action. So if in case you should have phoned her before you went out. Okay. So before you went out, you should call her. That's better. Or you should use all the credit in your phone to do that. Okay? So please read and underline the model verb. Example okay, just underline.
Okay.
Okay, yes, this one shouldn't have sent, must have, shouldn't have, should have warned, and might not have, could have gone. Hey, very good. Okay, so these are the things that you considered about the past modal. Remember how we are talking past modal verbs. Okay, it's past modal verbs. Okay? Okay? So me, we don't have enough time, teacher, and we'll see you on. I hope you have time other than Friday because Friday morning, we have, I guess I cannot have class in Friday morning because we have GST, BST, GST,
Okay.
BST.
You will message to me. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I will message to you
Yeah.
maybe in the night time. Okay?
Yep.
Bye bye.